Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Now, a lot of people kind of poo-poo Uncle Al and laugh and crack jokes and jeer. Okay, now we have rioting. I did warn people in their comments about rioting about 2 months ago. Nobody really listens to Uncle Al. I don't really care. Next is blackouts. Blackouts are caused by what? Rioting, and also by weather, also by Antifa, and also certain agent groups that are paid by foreign powers, like the Bloomberg Group and a few others, like CNN and NBC, and a few other organizations who are being paid off. And like the, 27 people that are compromising the FBI, 2,000 in the, I think it's still 2,000 in the NSA, United States Army, the Marines, Secret Service. Go down the list. You're all compromised. And still, a lot of people are like, I don't know what's going on. This segment is called the fourth phase. And like I said, we're going to do riots, blackout, and the surge for the summer. Fun summer, folks. Okay, I have to keep this short. I'll show you the doomsday weapon, what they're going to do for America this summer. It's a very hideous super weapon. Yep. You can pick it up at any grocery store. Okay. Simple mylar balloon. Oops. Don't want to get caught in the fan blades. Let me put it that way. Okay, don't want to get it chopped up. Hell. I put a little plastic clip on it so it doesn't get in the rotors, but it's kind of cute. Now, a lot of people think Uncle Alan's nuts, but a lot of people don't read history. A lot of people discovered Britain and the Japanese when they attacked Germany and Europe, and also America and Canada with balloons. Now, whatchamacallit, Britain didn't use bombs. They used wires. They called the octopus. Fine copper wires dangling it down, and they'll drift and they'll figure out what areas they want to attack. And they'll drop the balloon. Balloon pops, drops the 8 arms or tentacles of copper wire, each with different weights and length, and it hits transformers, power lines, and stuff. Now, our friends, the domestic terrorists that the FBI has no idea, are buying a bunch of these balloons. You might see a unicorn balloon flying through the air. All of a sudden, it'll hit a 707 or 727 or one of the Boeing jets. And let me tell you, 6 feet of high density plastic coating with a little bit of copper wire will do a hell of a damage in a jet engine, or lands in a transformer, or lands through power lines. That's their secret weapons for the blackout. And they can launch it anytime. Somebody in their car with a bunch of balloons, you don't think they're terrorists, you think it's a soccer mom driving to a game. Like I told people, number one, nothing is normal anymore. Okay? Unfortunately, the media, social media, and mainstream media are heavily connected with the bad guys. And a lot of you people are like, oh no, we're talking about freedom of speech. No, we're talking about disinformation and propaganda. Remember lesson number 3? Hidden messages. Right now, a lot of the puppets, Manchurian candidates, are running around protesting, doing stupid stuff. I understand the protesting. I understand the horrible tragedy of George Floyd. But at the same time, these people are puppets. They have no idea. They're running on pure emotion, not logic. And then you have the strings. Those are the guys who accent the riots to rob you, to loot. So if they can fool the puppet to do their actions, their strings, manipulators, that's social media and news media. And then finally you have the puppet masters. Now you take a good hard look at who's denying, who's running around. I would look at old Nancy or old Joe or any of those guys, and look at Andrew. I think it's Andrew C. of New York governor, and Bill of New York City. They're doing the blame game, like I told you in my past video. Uncle Alan's smart and Uncle Alan's pissed. Alright, this is the truth. So when your lights go out, it's not a bunch of terrorists in really bad outfits and wearing berets and sunglasses going do. No. It's going to be probably a suburban mom with one of these. Okay? Going by and letting it go near an airport or a power station, about 140 of them. What do you think is going to happen? Okay? And that's phase 4. And a lot of you people still don't get it. I had to put it out very simply, very clear. I'll catch you later because this is a few short videos because a lot of you people are really dense. Like I told my friend Bob, the middle guy, and also Kentucky Survival, people are stupid, real stupid. They have no idea what's going on and they'll still don't get it. I'll catch you later.